Premier Boulder po, naritong muli. Bigyan po natin ng reaksyon itong shooting incident na nangyari po sa Australia kahapon. Isang malungkot na at nakakagimbal na insidente ang naganap sa Bondi Beach, Sydney, Australia sa gitna ng masayang pagdiriwang ng unang mga araw ng Hanukkah. Ang Hanukkah po ay isang festival ng mga Hudyo by the Sea na inorganisa ng Chabad o Bondi. Biglang sumiklab ang kaguluhan ng magpaputok ang dalawang lalaki mula sa isang pedestrian bridge malapit sa Archer Park Playground. Ano po? Libo-libo, libo-libong tao ang nandoon. Noon ay karamihan ay mga bata. Nagdiriwang ng Festival of Lights. Ngunit sa hapon na yon, nagbago ang lahat. Ang dalawang sospek na nakilala bilang mag-amang Sayid Akram, 50 taong gulang, at ang kanyang anak na si Navid Akram, 24 na taong gulang, ay nagpaputok ng mga baril. Sinabi ng pamilya nila na sinasabi raw nila na pupunta sila sa South Coast para mag-fishing trip, ngunit sa halip ay nagplano ng atake. Ito po ang nakakalungkot na balita sapagkat napakarami ang namatay. 16 po yata ang namatay doon sa mga festival na yon na may kasama pong bata, ano? Ah. On December 14, 2025, a deadly mass shooting unfolded at Bondi Beach in Sydney, Australia during a Hanukkah celebration organized by the Chabad of Bondi. The attack took place in the late afternoon and Archer Park playground, targeting chaos and crowds scrambled by safety authorities quickly leveled in the terrorist attack, with global leaders and major news outlets condemning it as an anti-systemic act, ay anti-seismic act. 16 people lost their lives, 16 po, including a child and one of the suspect gunman. Yung isang gunman po namatay, binaril ng mga pulis. The attackers, identified as 50 years old Said Akram and his 24 years old son Navid Akram, has told their family they were going on a South Coast fishing trip before carrying out the attack. Police confirmed the two were a father and son duo. Navid Akram was critically injured and remains under police guard in hospital, while his father Said was killed during the incident. At least 42 others were injured, including two police officers. Huh? A local hero, 43 years old Amid Al-Amid, a Muslim father of two and owner of the producer store, courageously intervened during the attack. Unarmed, he managed to overpower and disarm the one of the gunmen, potentially preventing further bloodshed. Ahmed was shot by the second attacker during the confrontation and is currently in hospital awaiting surgery. Prime Minister Anthony Albanese described the massacre as a deliberate and targeted assault on the Jewish community during Hanukkah. The Bondi Beach shooting is now the second deadliest mass shooting in Australia history, following the 1996 Port Arthur massacre, and stand as the deadliest terrorist attack the country has ever experienced. Ito po, panuorin po ninyo ang video.
Oh my god, get down. Boys,
Ayan
get
po.
down. Oh my god.
Ito po yung mga gunman, oh. Ayan, yan. Baril siya ng baril. Talagang buo yung loob niya. Pumatay ng tao. Ayan, nagtakbuhan na yung mga tao. Ito. Nakuha isang gunman. Yan.
C'est un malade.
Oh mon gros. Oh
Ouais, mais il y a son pote, il va se faire tirer dessus.
Ito yung gunman, nakaitim, puti, yung umagaw. Yun.
Il est trop
Ito
con,
yung
le mec, alors.
naglakas ng loob. Agawin yung baril dito sa taong to. Oh. Nahuli po yung dalawa. Mabuti na lang at naagaw nung isang
Le mec, il est hyper
nagbalasakit,
courageux.
Ito yung mga taong to. Oh.
Oh,
Ito yung gunman, tumatakbo na. Ito yung isang kasama niya. Ito namatay to, yung tatay niya to eh. Oh. Ito na sila. Oh.
Fucking bash him!
Galit yung mga tao.
Oh my god, get down. Boys, get down.
Oh?
Oh my god.
Ito, malakas ang loob niya. Inagaw niya. Ayan. Oh.
c'est un malade.
Oh mon gros. Oh
Mabuti na lang may isang taong malakas ang loob para agawin yung
il va se faire
ano.
tirer dessus.
Buti hindi niya pinatay.
Il est trop con, le mec qui a l'arme.
Okay, mga kaibigan. Huwag niyo pong kalimutang mag-like, subscribe, and share sa aking YouTube channel. Sa mga nanonood po ng Facebook, huwag niyo pong kalimutang follow ang Facebook page ko. Ramir Boulder din po. Marami pong salamat.